The American Academy of Pediatrics estimates that between 25% and 50% of children are not getting enough sleep. When kids aren't getting enough sleep, it can affect their mental health, their growth, and their emotions. We have a natural essential oil blend that can help kids rest better. In this video, I'll talk about what's in this blend, how to use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. This blend is made up of lavender, marjoram, frankincense, cedarwood, and German chamomile essential oils. All these oils are kid-friendly and can help your child rest better. Lavender is really calming and has a great soothing aroma. Marjoram is warming and calming, and it can help support respiration. Its aroma blends really well in this blend to create a really relaxing atmosphere. Frankincense essential oil is a really soothing oil with a really calming aroma. Cedarwood is one of my favorite oils to help me sleep better. It has a really calming aroma that really grounds this blend to create a peaceful, restful atmosphere. You've probably heard of using chamomile tea to help you rest and relax. The aroma of German chamomile essential oil can have those same benefits. When we use it in a diffuser, that aroma will help you relax. So let's talk about how to use this calming blend. You can simply put it in a diffuser and create a calming and relaxing atmosphere. You can make bath salts to create a bath that is calming and relaxing before bedtime. You can also make a roll-on and use it for on-the-go support as you travel. So let's talk about how to use this blend safely. Always dilute essential oils before putting them on your skin. If you don't, it can cause skin irritation. Sweet Dreams is really unlikely to cause irritation when diluted properly. This blend is generally considered safe to use while pregnant. Consult your doctor before using essential oils while pregnant or breastfeeding. You don't want to use essential oils topically during the first trimester of a pregnancy. This blend is safe to use with kids 2 and up. Dogs and cats may find the oils in this blend to be irritating, so when using this blend around a pet, make sure you're using caution and be aware of their behavior. Always leave the door open so your pet can leave if they would like. I think you're going to love this blend to give you or your child a natural nudge towards bedtime. To learn more about using essential oils with confidence and clarity, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.